Hello, and welcome to Kundu Crafts. Today we are going to do an art project that goes with our Itsy-Bitsy Spider video. We are going to do some spiders with the Oreos, marshmallows, and some baby cheeses. We have pretzels, and then some candies, and then some raisins that we can use for eyes. So let's get started. We're going to take some pretzels. Now, I've found that depending on what item you have, you can either use the full pretzels for the legs, or you can break them in half, or just a little bit, so you get different size legs. Okay, so we're going to take the Oreo first. And we're going to use a little bit longer legs on the Oreo. And you just take the Oreo and put it in, and leave enough room in the front so you can have a little face. So that's 4. And then we'll do the other side. There we go. Now we're going to take a little bit of sticky glue in the end. So I just open up an Oreo and take a little bit of the cream filling, and I roll it in my hands, giving a little ball. And then I'm going to put a little piece of candy. Just stick it right on there. And there's an eye. And we'll do the same thing for the other eye. Get the other eye. You can have mismatched eyes, same color eyes, whatever they would like. And there is your Oreo spider. Now for the marshmallow, it's a little pliable and squishy, so I take a little stick first, and I just poke a few little holes in where I think I'm going to put the little legs and the pretzels, and I do it on both sides. And then I grab the pretzels, and then I just stick them right in those little holes that I already started. Again, don't go too far. And don't squeeze too much on these, because the marshmallow's soft. Okay, there's one side. And then these spread out a little bit with the marshmallow, so you can get it. There we go. Alright, so now with this one, I tend to open up a little spot again because it's soft for the eyes. And then we are going to take, we'll use, what do we use? We'll use yellow. And just push right in that little spot that you dug out. And there are your eyes. You can also put a little smile on their face, just by little holes. Get them to just smile a little bit there. There we go. And there's your marshmallow spider. And our last one is our little cheese. So I use the raisins for the eyes and the cheese. Now for this one, I definitely use this little chopstick here, and I put the holes in. Alright, again, don't push too much into the cheese because you don't want it to crack. It just fits nicely in those little holes that we've put in there. And then we'll do the other side. There we go. I just put a little bit of impression there for the eyes. And let's see. And then a little smile for them. We don't want it to be a scary spider. There we go. Now again, I take the raisins so they don't melt. You can use anything you would like that you find in the house. And there's your little cheese spider. And you can have fun and you can make all different spiders. Make little families, little stories, and sing, of course, our Itsy Bitsy song. Thank you for joining us at Kundu Kits, and have a Kundutastic day.